All right, we are hopefully back this time. What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 live cop. And honestly, I don't even know if live cops are still a thing. I haven't done this in so long. Words can't even explain how excited I am for this drop. Like, we got Tyler the Creator finally here. And I feel like it was like 2012 when Tyler the Creator really got me into Supreme. And I feel like throughout the years, people have like always wondered if Tyler was gonna get like something to do with Supreme, like a photo tee. And now we finally got it. However, I do kind of feel like the photo tee, they picked a bad photo of him because we've seen those other pictures of him, and personally I liked those better. I mean, I'm kind of going off on a tangent here. Like I said, we are doing a Supreme Fall Winter 24 live cop. And I'm hopefully trying to get back onto YouTube. I know I've said that probably like 300 times now, but I'm being serious this time. I'm trying to actually get back because it's just kind of just like something that I miss doing, and I want to, like, you know, get back into it. Not really too much more to say. So for today's drop, I actually was crazy and made a list because there were so many things that I wanted. There were 20 individual items that I wanted. Obviously, I'm gonna try to get multi-quantity of like the t-shirts and things like that. However, I do feel like the t-shirts are just terrible. I don't know if it was the last drop. Maybe it was the last drop of tees, like towards the end of the season last year. Well, not last year, this year, but towards the end of the last season, I should say. I feel like those were the worst t-shirts I've ever seen ever. And I felt like at the beginning of Spring Summer 24, they were terrible, and they just gradually kept getting worse and worse, in my opinion at least. So I was kind of hoping that this season the tees were just going to be something insane that we like haven't seen, you know, there's like better designs. But I mean, obviously I was wrong, and I'll be honest, I hate these tees just as much as I didn't like the other ones. I don't know what it is, I'm just not feeling the tees anymore. Obviously though, I'm going to try to get the Tyler the Creator thing. So I made my list going off the Supreme community, so they are technically in order of what's like the most hyped. So obviously the Tyler tee is number one, but obviously I do not want to single cart the Tyler tee. That's just going to be crazy because like that $10 shipping, and it might resell to where it's worth it to single cart the Tyler tee, but I don't know. Like, let me know in the comments. Like, you guys think that's going to like go up over time? I'm kind of 50-50 because I feel like Supreme has kind of shifted to where back, like, obviously like way back in the day, we used to be able to like get a box logo and sell it for a ton of money, or like a photo tee and sell it for a ton of money. And I kind of feel like that's not really a thing anymore. Like, you can still make some money obviously off some of those things, but now it's kind of shifted more towards like for instance, those Tims I almost sold for like $1,000. Like, that was just like a hold for a little bit that ended up going like crazy to the moon. Or like there's been pants that we've seen go for like $300, $400, $500 later on, like right after the season ends. So I kind of feel like you got to like target different items now. You got to like adapt to like what is obviously gonna sell better, because it's not just like box logos anymore. Hold on, I'm trying to get this queued up now. I'm almost running out of time here. All right, it's 11, still nothing. Oh, here we go. All right, we are loaded in. So like I said, I got 20 things that we're trying to go for. So I think obviously I'm gonna try to get the Tyler tee first. Didn't see white, but we could get it this way. Obviously gonna try to get a black one as well. Where's the accessories? I kind of feel like my, wow, that thing was $200. I kind of feel like my laptop's already lagging, so that's not a good sign. So I wanted the red. Wow, what's going on? Come on, you can do it. I guess I'll try to get all these things right now. This is going to be a very expensive cart. This, wow, that is just, whew, that is crazy to me. We already got that. I'm just going to try to check out with this cart right now to secure those Tyler tees. Hopefully they are there. I hate these so much. Come on. Try again. What are you talking about? That was so it. See, I never know like which one it is. Like, which one are we supposed to click on? There we go. Let's go. Please, not the line. Because see, this is my thing. I don't know if other people have this, but I can't like open another tab because it's still going to put me in line. And even if I do this, like new window, it's still going to put all those things in my cart unless, yeah, see, they're already there. That's not good. I've had bad experience in the past where I can't get past this screen. I really don't know how I'm trying to say this. Like, I can't get past this because if I open up like another window, something's going to take these things out or like reset the cart. Like, I've had just terrible experiences. So I don't really want to try to get something else. That's the problem. Unless I were to open like a Safari. This is not a good sign though on the line. This is looking crazy. So let's, what should I go? What was that? No, not jackets. Come on, we're slacking. So let's see, let's just go to the tees, I guess. A little crazy. I guess I will try to get this one. How's this looking? Dang, still. Shout out to Mr. Cartoon, but that is not feeling that tee. That's not really it for me. So I think I'm gonna pass on that. So like, obviously you can see some of these tees I am going for, but these weren't the best t-shirts in my opinion. I thought this one was sick. Guaranteed no one else is gonna mess with this tee. But I thought that one was sick. Don't need that one. Don't need that one. Don't need that one. All right, that's all the tees. I guess we could try to check out on this. I could have definitely added more things to this, just being honest, but I don't know. This is obviously loading very slow. See, my laptop's lagging. It probably looked like I was struggling right there. Oh, I got 2 things open. This is not good. This is not good. The Tyler tees are definitely gonna go because I kind of feel like I said, I don't think they're gonna resell that crazy, but I think they will definitely sell out like very fast. Come on, can't even open up another tab now because oh, whoa, Tyler tees are out. No way, the crystal box cutter's out. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. I don't even believe that. All right, how are we looking here? Did we get the first order? How are we looking here? Okay, we did get some things. This is good. This is good. We are making some progress. How's my Safari page looking? All right, I feel like all those tees I'll be fine with. Like, they're obviously not going to sell out. Maybe the Tyler tee. But they're obviously not going to sell out, so I can just make my way down. I'm just going to do this, which I feel like is definitely going to make me lose some time. So I need this. This is crazy. Adding that, I'm gonna just go back to this way. Like I said, I'm definitely wasting some time, but I don't think these things are gonna sell out, so I'm kind of just taking my time. Dare I try to add some more Tyler tees? Like I don't even know if this is gonna be worth it. Like if I'm actually gonna need them. Damn, I wish I remembered what size. Oh, I need smaller than these. That's what I needed. So let me go back. Let me go down here. Make sure these decks are in. Well, I'm definitely gonna need to censor that out. I can't even believe. Is this really sold out? Yeah, sold out. That is crazy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I hate checking out on Safari. Wow, that was very unfortunate. Back in line, just like that. This kind of threw off my whole momentum here. So hold on, let me go back here. We got that hoodie. I'm tripping now. I'm tripping. I'm getting rusty. I'm getting rusty. I didn't check out with that. Oh, because the Tyler tee sold out. That's what it's saying. I see it at the bottom right there. No biggie though. I said that. We already got 2. You know, beggars can't be choosers. A lot of random things. Oh, I forgot the other deck. See, part of my card is the Tyler tee is sold out. 2 of the Tyler tees are sold out. So I did already think that was gonna happen. So I'm not tripping about that. But now here we go. We're stuck waiting again. So I guess I could cross off some of my list. So we got the Tyler tee. I got the beaker. I got that tee. I don't have the deck. I got the lunchbox. Got the patches. I didn't get the box cutter, which is crazy to me. I didn't get any tees yet. Well, besides the Tyler tee. How are we looking over here? Dang, that Terra deck sold out. That's crazy. So I didn't get the zip up, which that actually might be gone. Wow, I am actually shocked right now. And it looks like there's some, nope, that's the Tyler tee. Wow, that is crazy. That means the drugs deck's probably gonna be gone soon too. Come on, all right, we know stuff's sold out. Like, how am I still waiting on this? No way other people are wanting these. Come on, come on. Well, at least we got 2 Tyler tees. I'm gonna assume they're all gone now. So we got 2 though, at least. I get it, part of the card is sold out, let's go. And it sucks, like I can't do anything. I don't wanna risk losing the whole cart and basically just starting over. And now like, I don't even know if I should go on my phone. Yeah, let me try my phone, I guess, too. I'm not gonna be able to screen record this stuff. It's gonna be way too much stuff going on in your guys' screen, so I just feel like that is not gonna be worth it. Let's see. Yeah, dang, I can't believe that the other skateboard is sold out. It's just crazy to me. How are these still loading like this? Get it's high volume, but this is just like absolutely insane. I'm probably not even gonna be able to check out on my phone either. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time doing this. We have 1 card so far. Like, that's just crazy to me. I don't even know what to do. I'm sorry you guys are waiting. I can't even do anything. They got some really nice colors with the loose gauge this season. Oh yeah, just as I expected. There's an issue with Apple Pay, so I can't even get through on my phone, which is crazy. Like, is my Wi-Fi like broken right now? There's no way, like everything's gonna be gone. I have 1 card. This is gonna make for a terrible video. I think Apple Pay is down, so I'm trying to like not check out with Apple Pay, and I can't even do that. Like, am I missing something here? This is gonna make for a terrible video. I'm sorry guys, I can't even get anything. Like the easiest things I can't even get. I kinda wanted to add like 1 thing to my cart to see if I can even check out. It keeps deleting my cart. On my phone, not on this. This is very unfortunate. I'm so sorry guys. This might not even be for a good video. I can't even get through on anything. I don't understand why this is like deleting. I think I might just got some tees. Okay, so I got some tees. Oh, I didn't even get a screenshot. It's sick. Man, this is just a terrible video. Like, I'm still waiting. I guess I should just refresh it at this point. Like, clearly we know, yeah, all these things are sold out in here. I can't even get past on my phone now. So what I was trying to do was buy this exact order on my phone so I could start all over, but half of this stuff is sold out, which is very surprising to me. So I didn't get the Tyler tees, but I did get 1 order right here. That was all the size mediums. So I'm literally just gonna exit out of this. Oh great, it's gonna be like this type of deal. See, I'm just gonna take all this out. I just feel like this is just not gonna go very well. All right, let's see. Let's just add some more things to my cart that I needed on my list. But I kind of feel like I just took an L on most of these. Like all of these should have probably gone now. Brown still in stock? No way. Brownlow was sick too. We'll see, but that's probably gonna sell out by the time I get to the cart, so I'm not tripping about that though. I'm so sick about this. I literally can't believe that it sold out. That's just crazy to me. And I didn't get any notifications, sorry. I didn't get any like screenshot. What am I trying to say here? I didn't get any email confirmations, that's what I'm looking for, to tell me what I got. So I kind of like forgot what I got. I wanted this, but it sold out, which is really upsetting. Wanted that for the personal. Things are just flying off the site, which like I said, I'm kind of surprised about, but what I already forgot about this. Is this gone like, see, look, this is crazy. Like I don't even know what to do because I don't even know what I got. I only got the one order on my phone, so I don't even know if I got the size small t-shirt. I don't even know what's going on. So I don't want to like get more of them because I'm not going to need them, you know what I'm saying? This has just been a terrible drop. Like I said, I'm like so sorry guys. I guess I'll just add some of these in here and see. Dang, I'm honestly like pretty upset. So the Tyler T is probably gone by now. Yeah, the Tyler T is gone. Now this finally decides to go. Like I don't even know if I should get this because I don't even know what I got. See, this is about to be very upsetting because this just might be a terrible decision. Here we go again with this not working. And they gotta fix this site or something. I feel like it's getting gradually worse. So I did get some things here. Man, like I said, I'm just like so bummed out because I don't even know what I got. I can't even believe I missed things. I'm just gonna check out on this right now just to be safe. Oh no way. No way. Still? It's 11:22. Oh, it's still showing the old cart. Look, this isn't even in my cart anymore. So literally just like I said, this is probably my worst video. I didn't even realize my camera stopped recording because it was just so many minutes of nothing happening and I kind of just forgot that it caps out. So I don't know where I left off. And to be honest, I didn't really get much things and I was confused for a very long time on what I got because I didn't screenshot that on my phone. The 2 pages I left hanging up here were just not checking out. So I ended up trying to get something on my phone. Checked out on that. It was just a huge mess. The drop went terribly for me. I missed out on 3 things. I don't know if I said that before that, but now I'm saying it again. But yeah, I do apologize for this video. In my head, I was so hyped to finally make a live cop. I was so excited about the Tyler collab and just like Supreme being back, and then my video just completely flopped and went south. But I mean, I just wasted all that time, so I'm still gonna upload it. But like I said at the beginning too, I am trying to be back on YouTube, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I just missed doing the live cops. Like that was like my favorite thing to do. And there was a while where I was uploading pretty much every single week and every single live cop. So if that is something you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below and I will try my best to keep making more of these. And one last note before I go, I did want to say that I finally relaunched my brand Sudden after many years of not listening to people and making horrible decisions and a name change. I decided just to go back to Sudden and it has been like, words can't express how thankful I am and how successful it's been going lately. So if that is something you want to check out, I will put the information on the screen as well in the description down below. And while you're in the description, make sure you give myself a follow as well. All the information will be in the description down below. And we do have a drop coming out next Friday, so you're not going to want to miss that. And again, like I said, this video went absolutely south and I'm so sorry. But if you did stick around, let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys pick up today? And if you got any of the Tyler tees, and what was your favorite item of the drop? If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.